Hi guys, and this is Jeff. I have made the sweet wings. If you haven't watched my cooking video, just so you know, sweet wings are not from Switzerland. This is actually a very typical Hong Kong dish that we make. So today I'm gonna do this mukbang video, but having chicken wings seems a little bit odd. So I've grabbed this one. Jasmine rice. I'm just gonna get like 1 pack of this and I will have the chicken wings with rice. Basically I got this is only because we ran out of rice at home. So making this rice is very straightforward, so I just took one out from that box. Put this in for 40 seconds. There you go. I'm just gonna transfer this into like a proper bowl so that we can get started. Here we go, I am ready for the mukbang. I have the sweet wings in front of me and also a bowl of rice. I actually also got like a bowl on the side so that I can put all the chicken wings bones there. Okay, let's get started. That looks really good, so I just can't wait to have a bite at it. I'm just gonna use my hands if you don't mind. Ooh, I'm just gonna... Ooh, look at this. Ah, it looks so good. Wow. It's really good because you can actually taste like the saltiness of the soy sauce, but the rock sugar definitely helps and brings in that sweetness into the dish. The sauce is just perfect. I couldn't pick anything wrong about this dish. I just have to have one more bite. This is really, really delicious. I really think they should change the name of this dish because that just doesn't give enough credit to Hong Kong. When we invented this dish, but it's called Swiss wings. Don't you think it's a little bit weird? I'm actually like the kind of person who would clean out everything so that you can see that I actually eat like pretty much all the meat. Like I would just chew on the bone. Just like this. Because I hate wasting food. Very yummy, very delicious. I'm really happy. One done. Alright, my hands are a little bit dirty, but I want to have the rice, so I might just go and wash my hands first, and I will try to have the chicken wings with the rice. Okay. This is not as good as a steamed rice, but it is the best that you could get if you can prepare something in like 40 minutes. So it's a little bit mushy, but it does have the texture and the taste of normal steamed rice. You guys just want something quick or you run out of rice, that would be something that I would totally recommend. Oh my god. The sauce is just like dripping on my hands. Okay. Second. Chan. I don't know about you, but what is the part of the chicken wings that you like to eat? Do you like... For me, it's definitely drumstick, and then the middle part of the chicken wings, and then the tip. The tip I always find it pretty difficult to eat, but Yeah, but you can get like all the flavors from the tip though. That's the interesting thing about it. So I will have the drumstick first. I'm gonna have some rice as well. It goes really well with the chicken wings, so when you're having this, you definitely have to get some rice. Okay. It's dripping all over the floor, so I will clean that up later. This is the part that I always have struggles with because it's just so hard to eat all the meat from the tip. I can just like smash down the rest of them. So how did I find out about Swiss chicken wings? There's a restaurant that actually invented this dish. I think the first time that I had Swiss chicken wings would be at that restaurant. The restaurant is called Taiping Kun restaurant. So my parents told me that when I was in primary school, I just loved chicken wings, and then my parents just ordered that one. And then when I had it, I was just like, oh my god, this is so good. Back in the days, we weren't that well off, so we don't really get a chance to eat out that often. We always treasure the time when we eat out, actually. Alright, so I have 2 chicken wings left, but I still have quite some rice, as you can see. Actually, I'm gonna get the sauce from the pot. So I still have some of the sauce. I'm just gonna put that in. Ooh, look at that. That looks amazing. And then we can continue. Actually, one thing that I really love doing is just like putting in the sauce with the rice. That is something that I started doing since I was a kid. So whenever we have like a dish, so for example, like steamed fish or like any sort of dishes that will have like a sauce, I love putting in the sauce into the and mix it with the rice so that it gives like the great flavors to the plain rice as well. Pro tip for me. Yummy. Oh my god, it's so good with the rice as well. Okay. Second last. Okay. As usual, just gonna break this one out. Ooh. And then, yeah. Jam. Maybe this is actually the fast way of doing it. You just break the chicken wings and then you just eat it like this. And then you just suck out all the meat from the chicken wings. I think that is how you do it. Done. And then the drumstick is my favorite. I love drumsticks. Yum yum. Sorry guys, I just couldn't resist. I knew you guys just saw me licking my fingers because they are just like sauces all over my fingers and they taste too good. I just couldn't resist. Okay, I'm gonna have some of the rice actually. Maybe I'm gonna finish it actually. Jan! I love rice. I just couldn't imagine what I could do without rice. Like, rice is such a staple for me. I basically have it every single day. I just couldn't live without rice. Because I lived in Europe before, and then the first thing when I lived abroad, the first thing that I did was getting a rice cooker. Okay. Just gonna finish the rest. It's so good. I can't explain how good that is until you make it yourselves. So make sure you check out the video where I make the chicken wings so that you can get a taste of these bad boy as well. I'm not lying, it tastes really good. Okay, last one. Okay, ooh. Yes. Let me finish this first. You probably couldn't see it, but like, actually I have like the soy sauce drip like all over my sweatpants. I am such a clumsy eater, I don't know why. Yes, done. Okay, I just have to finish the chicken wings tips. I usually do just like suck all the meat. And I actually eat all the soft bones as well. If I could bite it and chew it, I will eat it. That's how I usually eat chicken wings tips. Done! Look at my greasy hands. Excuse me for showing my greasy hands, but I guess this shows like how much I enjoy the food. So good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can follow me on my foodie adventure. And also, feel free to follow me on my social media, Instagram and Facebook, so that you can get all the latest updates from me. And don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. Or are there any food that you would like me to make? Let me know and I'm happy to take that challenge. Okay, I will see you guys next time.